welcome to the sixth video in a set of 6 videos, the final videos in my intuition and psychic development series. And in this video, following on from the last video, I'm going to be looking at psychic development. And I'm going to be giving you some more ninja tricks on recognizing psychic ability and also developing it. So let's not hang around, let's get straight on with it. When developing your psychic ability, it's important to understand who it is you're communicating with. Psychic ability to me is all about communicating with your spirit guide or your higher self. There is the ability to communicate with those who have passed on. However, this is called mediumship. I explore both mediumship and a little bit more information about your spirit guides in my membership site, on my psychic development and intuition bundle on my membership site on my website, which is starlightworkcircle.com. The link will be below. So if you would like to know more about that, please go there. I also do a lesson on using the tarot cards, how the tarot can help you develop your intuition and psychic development, and also how to read the cards intuitively. Don't forget, most of the information and guidance given in the 2 YouTube videos on intuition are also very helpful here. They will help you develop your intuition and your psychic development. But I do want to give you one super ninja trick, and it uses a set of ordinary playing cards. Now, we can use the playing cards to develop and understand our psychic ability. And there are lots of different ways that we can do this, depending on whether you're working alone or whether you're working with someone else. And also, as you develop this, how your ability shows itself. The first way we can do this is we can take our cards, shuffle our cards, pick a card off the top and lay it in front of us. We can then try and define what colour the card is, or if you're feeling especially brave, what suit the card is. I've only ever done this with colour. Is it red or is it black? And once we've decided, once we've chosen which colour it is, have a quick look. And if we've got it right, I like to put it on the right pile, the correct pile. If it's wrong, I like to put it on the wrong pile. Now, don't worry if you get about 50-50 on either side. This is perfectly normal. You're not going to get it right every single time. Another way that you can use the cards to develop your psychic ability is using psychometry. You can do the same thing, shuffle the cards, pick the top card off, and you can hold it. And do the same thing, divine which colour or which suit card it is. Once again, I like to put it on the right or wrong pile. If you have someone else there who can help you, they can pick a card and look at the card and project the colour or the suit towards you. You can then say to them what you think the colour is or what you think the suit is, and they can then put them in the right or wrong pile. You can also do pretty much the same thing with Zener cards. Zener cards are a set of 5 cards with different shapes on. These shapes represent numbers as well, with a number of lines on. For example, the circle has 1 line, that's number 1. This cross has 2 lines, so that's number 2. They also sometimes come in different colours. However, you don't need the Zener cards. You can use the playing cards just as readily and just as easily. Now, please don't forget, developing your psychic ability is all about understanding the different methods and the different ways in which communication occurs. It's also about getting into the right brainwave state and raising your energy. It's also about being very aware of when you are receiving messages and paying particular attention. It's also about being very aware of your reactions and your feelings, noticing when that guidance comes in, when it's correct and when it isn't correct, and you can adjust to that. You can also practice some of the games that I've given throughout this series. But please remember, every single person has the ability to tap into their intuition and their psychic ability. If you struggle, please don't worry. It's all about persistence and it's all about practice. The more you practice and the more you persist, the more aware you are of when that intuition and psychic ability shows itself, and also how to develop that. I hope you'll join me in the next series, or I hope to see you on my membership site on my website. The link will be below. Thanks for joining me. Bye.